So over here, you can see that I got some items right here in queue. I can go ahead right here, click on the plus button, and let's say, for example, add in another item right here as well. So you have a lot of queue, and let's say I want to delete out some queue. In that case, you can click on an item right here and click on the minus button right here to remove it out. Then it asks you whether you really want to remove it. Simply press yes and it will be deleted. Similarly, you can click on another queue right here. You can also hit the delete key on your keyboard and you get the same option, and then you can delete it. Let me just go around right here and let's say, for example, duplicate out this queue. Let me just select all and duplicate out this out as well. So I have, let's say, for example, these ones right here. So let's just go ahead and select this, and then I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this out right here. So I can hold control and select, let's say, for example, 3 projects right here, just like this, and I can go ahead and click on remove and then click on yes, and they will be removed altogether as well. So that is how you can go ahead and remove out the items that you have in queue inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe